So that you said there's a gut cleanse. Walk us through the different cleanses that people need in their life.
So the regular cleanse is really, I'll tell you a little bit about what's on it. There's a detox tonic on it with coconut kefir, which is a probiotic drink.
I love coconut kefir.
I am good. A big fan of probiotics, and I love coconut kefirs, cocoyo, and there's a lot of great products out there on the market. Then it has chlorophyll, apple cider vinegar, lemon, ginger in there. And then there's my homemade super seed bar. Then you basically get a bone broth or a vegan broth. Our bone broth is really gelatinous, and so there's a lot of collagen, which I love. And then you get different salads for the week, different salad dressings, fermented vegetables. You get different soups for the nighttime, and then you get lattes for the evening. Then you also get digestive enzymes and you get magnesium. So to make sure that everything's working properly. Because people going from an animal protein diet into a plant-based, legumes and beans can disrupt their stomach. And also a lot of vegetables can as well. So there's that one. There's a 3-day.
So with that one, walk us through. So are you encouraging people to not have dinners in that? Is that
the
like
soup is dinner?
Yes, right.
Or they could have soup for lunch and do the salad for dinner. Right. So it's not super strict. A lot of people who exercise a ton will add a little bit of animal protein, to the meal potentially, and it doesn't take you away from the cleanse. So again, you're just getting tons of vegetables. You're getting anti-inflammatory, nourishing, nurturing foods. So that one is like my regular one that has been going on for 9 years. Sometimes it blows my mind because the tonic's been on there for 9 years. The bar's been on there. It's crazy that things are still popular. People buy the tonics and the bars separately. And then the gut cleanse has activated charcoal on there. So
walk us through that.
What activated charcoal? So I love activated charcoal because it lowers bacterial loads in your gut.
Wait, how do you eat activated charcoal?
You take a pill.
Right. Okay.
You can put it in a drink, and you could put it in the detox tonic, or in water or whatever. But it's a pill. It's a very strong pill, and I have found when I had insulin resistant clients who couldn't lose weight, weight resistant clients, their insulin was high, their gut bacteria was too high. So I would put them on 5 days of activated charcoal and lower their insulin levels, which was fantastic. So that's how the gut cleanse came about. So they get activated charcoal, they still get the enzymes, they get the magnesium, but they get chia pudding, they get sauerkraut, they still get the detox tonic. They don't get the bar because a little too much sugar. I don't want sugar for them because of the bacteria. And then they get everything else that's pretty similar. And the nighttime is a Tulsi tea. That holy basil is one of my favorites. It's anti-inflammatory and great for the gut, great for sleep. So that's the other cleanse that I love. And so what I'm trying to do for people is really clean them out. Those clients are the ones that have a little bit of constipation issues, aren't going to the bathroom regularly. And they're, by the end of the week, they're going 2 and 3 times a day.
Wow.
That's another crazy thing. Because people go once a day.